Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Texas. First, you must meet specific residency requirements. One spouse needs to have lived in Texas for at least 6 months and in the filing county for 90 days. Next, determine if your divorce will be contested or uncontested. An uncontested divorce means both parties agree on all terms, which can simplify the process. Gathering financial documents and personal information is a crucial early step. Remember, Texas law requires a minimum 60-day waiting period from filing before a divorce can be finalized. Once you've confirmed residency, the next step is to prepare and file your original petition for divorce. This document officially starts the divorce process and outlines your requests regarding property, children, and support. You'll file this petition with the district court in the county where you meet the 90-day residency rule. Be prepared to pay court filing fees, which can range from $150 to $300, depending on the specific county. If you cannot afford the fees, you may be able to file a statement of inability to afford payment of court costs. After filing, your spouse, known as the respondent, must receive official legal notice of the divorce. This is called service of process. You cannot serve the papers yourself. Instead, a neutral third party like a sheriff, constable, or private process server will deliver them. If your spouse agrees to the divorce and accepts the papers, they can sign a waiver of service, which must be notarized. This waives the need for formal service and can help streamline the process, especially in uncontested cases. After service, Texas law mandates a 60-day waiting period from the date the original petition for divorce was filed. This period allows time for reflection and negotiation. Following this, you'll attend a prove-up hearing, where a judge reviews your final divorce decree and ensures all legal requirements are met. Once the judge signs the decree, your divorce is officially finalized, becoming a legally binding court order. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.